Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not working, step by step. Let's get started. First, we will check your internet connection because Marketplace needs a stable connection to load listings. Open the Facebook app on your phone and wait a few seconds to see if the main news feed loads new posts. If posts are not loading or you see a spinning circle, place your finger near the top of the screen and pull down gently to refresh the page. You should see the page slide down and a loading icon appear, which means Facebook is trying to reload your feed. Once the page has refreshed, look at the top or bottom of your screen for the Marketplace icon, then tap it and see if the Marketplace page appears. If it still does not load or you get an error, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, open your quick settings and turn Wi-Fi off so your phone uses mobile data instead, then go back to Facebook and try Marketplace again. A common issue here is being connected to a weak Wi-Fi signal, so changing to mobile data often makes Marketplace finally open. Now that we have checked the connection, the next thing is to make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Close Facebook, then open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, which is where you normally download apps. In the search bar at the top, type the word Facebook, then tap on the Facebook app in the results to open its store page. If you see an update button, that means your app is not on the latest version, so tap Update and wait for the progress bar to complete. After the update finishes, the Update button will change to Open, which confirms the new version is installed. Tap Open or return to your home screen and open Facebook again. Then tap on Marketplace and see if it now loads correctly with the updated app. Many Marketplace problems come from older app versions, so this simple update often fixes missing buttons or blank screens. If updating did not solve it and you are using an Android device, the next step is to clear the Facebook cache. Go to the Settings app on your Android phone, the one with the gear icon, because cache settings live in your device settings, not inside Facebook. Scroll until you find Apps, then tap Apps to see a list of all installed applications on your phone. From there, scroll through the list and tap Facebook to open the app info page. On this screen, tap Storage, which shows how much space the app is using on your device. Here you will see a button that says Clear Cache. Tap Clear Cache one time, and you should see the cache size number drop to 0 or a much smaller number. This only removes temporary files. It does not log you out or delete your posts, so nothing in your account is lost. With the cache cleared, open Facebook again from your home screen or app drawer. Once the app opens, tap the Marketplace icon and check if the page now loads without errors or missing content. Cache data can become corrupted over time, and clearing it forces Facebook to download fresh Marketplace information. At this point, if Marketplace still is not working, we should check if your account has any restrictions. Open the Facebook app again and look for the menu button, shown as 3 horizontal lines, often in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap the menu button to open the main Facebook menu, where you can access many account tools. In this menu, scroll until you see Help and Support, then tap Help and Support to open Facebook's help options. Next up, tap Support Inbox, which is the place where Facebook sends messages about account issues and policy decisions. In the Support Inbox, carefully read any messages about Marketplace restrictions, notices, or similar warnings, because these explain if your ability to use Marketplace has been limited. If you see a Marketplace restriction message, it usually means Meta has temporarily blocked or limited access, and in that case, waiting for the block to expire or following any instructions in that message is the only way Marketplace will return. You have now gone through the main steps to fix Facebook Marketplace not working in this video. If this helped you out, a quick thumbs up really helps, and if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe. It truly means a lot to us, and we are thankful for every single one. Thanks so much for watching.